Good morning, everyone. So today let's deal about this topic, matter in our surroundings. Now, if you talk about matter, anything in the world through which we can perceive senses, anything, be it air, water, any solid substance through which we can perceive any senses. Let's suppose we switch on the fan or the wind is blowing. We can feel it, right? I'm touching this marker. I can feel it, right? Let's suppose I'm drinking water. Of course, if we touch water, we can feel it. So first of all, anything in the world which perceives senses, through which we can perceive senses, anything in the world through which has mass, which occupies space and has mass. Let's suppose I'm keeping this marker on a table. Now this marker has occupied some space. This marker has occupied some space, and also when I'm carrying this, I can weigh some mass. There is like some amount of mass which I can feel it. So basically, matter is anything which occupies space, which occupies space, which has mass, or through which we can perceive any senses. Now, matter is broadly divided into three parts. So, first is solid. Second is liquid. Third is gas. Now, let us deal about all these three variants of matter. If you talk about solid, what is solid? Anything which has definite shape and volume, and for that all the solid particles, all the solid bodies or substances have the atoms closely packed. It is closely packed, and that is why it has definite shape. जितने भी solid substance होते हैं उसके सारे atoms बहुत ही closely packed होते हैं, तो इसलिए इनके बीच का atoms के बीच का इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस काफी कम होता है. इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस काफी कम होता है, बहुत कम होता है. ये इन सारे के बीच में जितने भी एटम्स है, सारे के बीच में जो स्पेस है वो काफी कम होता है, और इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स जो होता है वो काफी ज्यादा हाई होता है, क्योंकि दो एटम्स जो है बहुत ही क्लोजली पैक्ड है. इन दोनों के जैसे दो एटम्स है, दोनों एटम्स के बीच का जो इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस है काफी कम है और फोर्स काफी हाई होता है. अगर हम लोग बात करें लिक्विड का, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट लिक्विड. So if we talk about liquid, the atoms in the liquid is separated. It is not closely packed. So space between two atoms are it is far apart. It is far apart, and the force between two atoms is quite less. The force between two atoms is quite less. Now if we talk about gas, गैस में क्या होता है कि काफी बहुत दूर में होते हैं, बहुत दूर में इसके एटम्स होते हैं. तो गैसेस के बीच का, दो एटम्स के बीच का जो स्पेस होता है वो काफी दूर होता है. इट्स फार अपार्ट, वेरी फार, फारदेस्ट यू कैन से. एंड ये दो एटम्स के बीच का जो फोर्स है वो काफी कम होता है. इट इज वेरी लेस. सो दिस वाज द डिविजन ऑफ मैटर, and this was the three major variants of matter, which is solid, liquid and gas. Let us recap this again. Now, matter is anything that occupies space, which has mass, and through which we can perceive senses. It is broadly divided into three major parts. Solid. Now, solid has definite shape because all the atoms are closely packed and the intermolecular force is quite high. Next is liquid. The intermolecular force between two atoms are comparatively less because जो atoms है वो थोड़ी दूरी में रहते हैं. But if you talk about gases, जो intermolecular force है बहुत ही कम है, क्योंकि जो स्पेस है दो एटम्स के बीच में काफी ज्यादा दूर होता है. And this is all for today. Thank you.